We look at footfall, tourist areas, recreational areas. We then marry that with our water network to see whether it's a suitable location. We work with local councils and community groups to identify different locations, and then we will do a desktop assessment to see whether it would be feasible.
We always have a pre-start meeting just to discuss the scope of the project. Today we met with Glasgow City Council, because we're in Glasgow Botanics, to get their permission on an entry date.
Once we've identified a suitable site, we then apply for planning permission. Planning permission typically takes 8 weeks. Once planning permission has been granted from the local council, we will then start the planning process for installation. And essentially what we're looking for is that we have access to a water main. Our operatives will sound the main and mark up the main so we know where we're connecting to. They will then dig the track, then lay the supply pipe, and then we will install the top-up tap, which includes cementing a base, so it's really quite sturdy. Once the top-up tap is installed, it's not a case of switching it on. We then flush the tap for quite some time to ensure that the water is running clear, and then we take various samples. So our water goes off to our labs, and then our lab technicians test the water to ensure that it's high quality, wholesome water. Testing of our water generally takes 7 to 10 days. Once the sample results come back, our public health team will review the results and ensure that the water is fit for purpose. Glasgow Botanic Gardens already has a beautiful Victorian fountain that was out of use some years ago, so we're really proud to be able to bring this new initiative to the Glasgow Botanic Gardens, situated beside the old Victorian fountain too. We're really proud to be able to roll out such an initiative introducing top-up taps across Scotland. The Victorians introduced water fountains. We're just doing the same, installing water top-up taps for the future.